Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Indonesia. Salamat pagi, salamat siyang to our Indonesian friends. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And yeah, Indonesian Idol was happening already, and I think they're choosing their like the best of the best or the for the grand finals or the top three, and we have to make some video reaction for today to Sabrina featuring Juicy Lucy, Terlalu Tinggi, Spectacular Show 11, Indonesian Idol 2025, and credit also with the honor of the video to Indonesian Idol. I put in the description box below so that you can watch a full video, because we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentary. Wow. I did some previous reaction to Sabrina because this amazing lady to represent Indonesian Idol, she's amazing. She's incredible. Her vocal quality, her vocal range is fantastic, and it's so incredibly amazing. Let's get to it, guys, and enjoy. And please do consider like and subscribe also to my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Enjoy with
You're a superhero.
this. Sabrina Leonor, Juicy Lucy, Terlalu Tinggi.
Padaku taliban yang terpanjang agar ku bisa kau terbangkan sejauh yang kamu mau.
Oh my God, how you cannot love this voice of Sabrina. Like there is something so like big or like a man voice of her that you truly enjoy, because the vocal quality or the range of her voice is just amazing already, that you truly enjoyed listening, and this is so great. That's you can truly feel the emotions she just put in this song. Oh wow, this is amazing. The staging is fantastic. The band is also great.
Dengan senang kau terbangkan aku terlalu tinggi, terlalu tinggi. Di atas awan ku nikmati dua sisi, indah terbang terlalu tinggi, takut jatuh terlalu jauh. Semakin tinggi, semakin jauh ku melihat. Apakah engkau genggam erat, tarik aku lebih dekat. Ku mohon.
Oh my God, she's beautiful. Her delivery, every lines, she's carefully sing it with pure emotions. Every lines that she sang it was so fantastically. I enjoyed, like it's pleasing to my ears, hearing with her like a velvety voice, the softness of it, the way she attacked the song. She just carefully planned it, and wow. And the second voice of what do you call this one, Juicy Lucy, it's so amazing also, just to make the song of like to elevate the voice of Sabrina, and this is great. Wow, this is how you do it. They're so professional with making it. Fantastic job.
Angin kencang bawakan kesenangan, dapat buatmu terbangkan sejauh yang kamu mau.
Oh my God, I love also Juicy Lucy's like voice, those control, and those like what do you call this one? It's just making it so fun and cool and vibey, and wow. And the judges also loving it. You can truly feel to their faces. And I think one of the judges of this one, I think I saw Judica. I don't know, guys. Just let me know in the comment section because I love Judica also because when he did for Sabrina performance, they are so fantastically amazing on that one. If you want to check on my channel, guys, I did on my reaction with their performance. That's fun. I think the song also was Judica original song that they sang together with Sabrina. That's amazing.
Jangan sana kau terbangkan aku
terlalu tinggi,
terlalu tinggi.
ia tak sawar ku nikmati dua sisi indah terbang terlalu tinggi, takut jatuh terlalu jauh, semakin tinggi semakin jauh ku melihat, apakah engkau genggam erat tarik aku lebih dekat, ku mohon jangan kau lepaskan aku.
Oh my goodness, those exchange of words. You're just like telling us a story. They just like punching every lines of it with so great of tone of the melody of it. Like the facial expression, the passion, and the oh goodness gracious, you can truly feel the emotion they just putting into the song that you will love watching with them, listening with their amazing voices. That's the melody or like the vocal quality that Juicy Lucy make also making sure that Sabrina will shine through in this performance, that they should be on a level that Sabrina should win this. Whew, I love this guy. Oh my god, I was mind blown. I was like, getting the punch of it.
Jatuhku tak takut, tumbuhku jauh, langit atau laut. Indah terbang terlalu tinggi, takut jatuh terlalu jauh.
Ku melihat, apakah engkau genggam erat tarik aku lebih dekat.
Oh, goodness gracious. I'm holding my breath also because it's like making the crescendo. It's like they are going into the top of the hill. The way they just making it so gracefully, so cool, so fun to listen. And you will holding your breath because this, like hearing with them, how they hold their breath and that's so long with the song, their performance. And it's getting into it. Goodness gracious. I was climbing into the hill and reaching on the top of it. And Sabrina did an amazing job. Whew, that's incredibly mind blowing.
Bina guys.
Oh my god. That's incredibly awesome. See the judges. Always why Sabrina always when she sings, no matter that a solo performance, a duet performance, every judges will have their feet and standing ovation that they truly believe the capability of this amazing young lady from Indonesia. She performed it so well with grace, with voice, with passion, with vocal range that it's so unbelievable. And that's an amazing artist. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one because I enjoyed it so much, and we are crossing fingers that Sabrina will win in Indonesian Idol 2025. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Sabrina performances or any Indonesian Idol or any Indonesia artist that you want me to react, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. Salamat pagi. Salamat siyang to our Indonesian friends, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also in my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Have a good day, everyone. Mabuhay. God bless, and see you in the next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys.